Professor Barry Pogson researches plant communication.
If you think in humans, one species, we have 6,500 different ways of saying hello. So how do plants communicate?
And not just with each other, but within the plant itself.
The plant needs to both detect what's happening and then communicate it to itself and understand the message it's receiving.
Professor Pogson's research has revealed crucial pathways by which communication between different parts of a cell influence plant growth, photosynthesis, and even tolerance to drought.
And what we discovered was a signal which the chloroplast produces under drought stress and tells the nucleus to turn on lots of genes that help protect the plant.
His team conducted field trials on wheat crops across southeastern Australia.
By trying to tune the signal, change the intensity of the signal, we found that we can increase its activity in a way that makes the plants more drought tolerant and the plants are yielding more.
As often happens with science, the breakthrough came at an unexpected moment.
The first time we found that this chemical signal made our plants more drought tolerant was seeing the plants looking better after they were unwatered for a few days. And that was a serendipitous discovery, which we had reason to believe, but we hadn't seen it yet. When we started this research, we didn't know it could lead to a more drought-tolerant crop, but now we're working with companies to try and turn it into something that's useful.
Producing crops that are more resistant to drought has become a global priority as our climate warms. But while he's focused on the future, Professor Pogson believes we can learn a lot from the past, especially from Indigenous communities.
Starting to learn their history of agricultural practices, how they managed the land, the crops they grew and harvested. Some Indigenous crops have more protein in them than chicken.
Professor Pogson's work has enabled a better understanding of plant physiology and has now seen him elected a Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science.